The initiative we found for solving main problems of Mave was develop or build digital business KPIs based on the SMART objective model. The first one is specific, is building digital business KPIs, defining and measuring processes. Measurable, we're going to apply this in the 18 industrial plants they have. Achievable, using digital business technology platform. Relevant, setting metrics and goals that lay out the digital business journey and impacts all over the world to all the plants that are distributed in too many different countries. And by 2018 in January.
As you can see, our initiative is to build digital business KPIs. This is because of the recommendation given by Gartner. He said that it is important to explore and adopt digital business capabilities. Mave had a lot of financial problems. One example is the Sao Paulo bankrupt, and also in Mexico they have had a lot of problems because of the lack of communication between departments. So it shows deficiency in the supply chain management. Our initiative is important because it's aligned with the business strategy of Mave that want to improve modern practices at management and also labor training. So this is a great opportunity for them.
Examples of digital business key process indicators. Sales growth. It can be used to measure if Mave's sales are increasing or decreasing in comparison with the time specified target according to the business strategies. Marketing to increment sales. It can be used to measure if Mave's marketing efforts are enough or really contributing to increment sales revenue. This will analyze the relationship between marketing and sales to make decision and test how many more customers bought the products while marketing campaigns are applied. Project cost variation. It can be used to measure if Mave's new projects are developed as planned, without exceeding the initial budget. Otherwise, analyze which concept is increasing the cost. For example, designing, landing, construction, or programming. Employee engagement. It can be used to measure if employees' behavior is contributing with the company's strategies and goals. That can help to establish communication with employees and to know the general will to remain in the company and the efforts that the employees are willing to do. Primary stakeholder. It will be all business partners, employees, or whomever has the power to manage new ideas for the company, and who rely on the success of the company to keep the supply chain working properly with the strategies of Mave. Business areas involved. All performance of the plant will be improved because of the system digitalization. Supply chain management will be more efficient and resource and time waste will be reduced.
Okay, so after talking about the business areas that we are involved in the initiative, we're going to present uh, what is the time frame for the project development and the estimated budget. For the time frame, we have to go through several phases, starting from the initial planning, then we're going to go to the resource estimation, the allocation of activities and responsibilities, going through all the platform development, and finally, we're gonna do the implementation, monitoring, and control. We expect all of this to be estimated in 1 year. So by 2018, it's gonna be fully operational. And now for the estimated budget, it may vary depending on all of the phases that we expect, and it go from designing, land, construction, and the programming phase, and it may vary from 10 million to $50 million.
In terms of main risks and obstacles for building KPIs in a company, are for, such as negation of technology adoption for current processes, disapproval of budget for this project, problems with the technological infrastructure, time adaptation of the new technology. There are two benefits that the company would regard and are divided into two groups that are quantitative and qualitative. Also, there is a technological information required, that is, online platform to set a compilation of data and information needed to feed the KPI's digital system. It must have connection access for all stakeholders and employees. Devices are selected as users to store the information as required.